Weekly market report. We're going over the past 7 days, what's taken place in the market. As always, we break it down in inventory versus pending deals or under contracts. So what we have here is in Baldwin County is 294 new listings versus 364 under contracts, pending deals, giving us 23 days of inventory. Demand is still much outstripping supply right now, but we are seeing a slight downtick in both these numbers, more of a seasonal thing. Look, it's hunting season, we have football, and we're coming into the holidays. We're gonna see a natural decline in the number of transactions, probably from really this month forward on through the holidays. But inventory still remains tight because demand is still outstripping supply. Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, as always, this is condos, homes, land in both the county and these beach locations. Crazy, only 74 new listings came to market. It's about, I don't remember what we had last week, but I feel like we were in about the 90 range. In 90 pending deals. Demand's outstripping supply again, giving us 23 days of inventory. Here again, very seasonal. I think we're going to kind of see this trend going from now till the end of the year. I'm very interested to see what happens as we get into January, February, especially into March next year. Now, on the first week of the month, guess what we get? And we're going to start adding this into the market report, or Baldwin County's Association of Realtors, the numbers for the month before. So this is the numbers for the month of October. And what they do is they call it traditional versus resort island base. So here again, Gulf Shores, Orange Beach versus the north end of the county. So in the traditional market, average sales price of $343,454. That's almost a 20% increase in what they were in October 2020. And look, we've been seeing that trend all year. We're up 20% almost the whole year. Average days on market, only 24 days on market for most homes listed within the county. That's a reduction of 60% of the time needed to sell. And closed sales, we're at 448 closed sales for the month in the traditional market. That's actually down 21%. So I don't know really how to explain this. I'm sure somebody else may do a video and explain that. I don't know what's going on here, why that is. In the island resort base, we have an increase in sales price of 11.6%. They're now, the average property is selling for $572,656. That's versus October 2020. Here's a little interesting fact. What we have to remember is that last year, we had Sally come through the middle of September 16th, really shut down a lot of deals in October, and I think scared a lot of people. I think the deals that materialized for October probably weren't quite the price point. There was some fear in the market. Average number of days property sits on the market is 29 days. Doesn't surprise me there's more days on market here versus here. This is a want. This is usually more of a need based. And closed sales, 227 closed deals in Orange Beach, Gulf Shores. That's an increase of 16.4%. Here again, it doesn't surprise me that we see a little bit of increase this year because there were just a lot of deals that didn't happen. Houses had to be re-inspected. Appraisers, if you were getting a mortgage back then, all those properties had to be reappraised and re-inspected before banks were loaning money. That was still very much in a lag, and we'll see this in November and December. The resort-based properties were greatly affected last year versus this year. So, well, interesting to see what this number looks like in November. As always, I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything we can do for you, please reach out to us. TheCoastalConnection.com is our website. We have a great property search tool in there. We're not going to ask you to register. It's just a great device to search property from Dauphin Island, Alabama, all the way to Pensacola, Florida. If you want to speak to one of us, please give us a call, 251-279-0099, or you can email me at angelo@thecoastalconnection.com. Thank you. Make it a great day, and we'll talk to you next week.